This review is over this Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. Now this shampoo goes along with the hair oil that this product also makes, or this brand also makes, but this is the shampoo, and this shampoo smells amazing, very refreshing, and this is the type of shampoo that will tingle your scalp and actually just feel like it's working. So this strengthening shampoo is infused with biotin and encourages growth. So in this little bottle here, you're just gonna need to apply like a dime size amount and massage it into your hair when it's wet. You're not gonna leave it in, you're not gonna come out of the shower, leave it in your hair, or do anything like that. You're gonna rinse it out. So you wanna take this in the shower with you, put a little bit in your hair, go from the scalp down and massage it in, and then just rinse it out. And when you rinse it out, hopefully you realize or recognize that this really does work and it starts strengthening your hair instantly. It's for brittle hair, it's for just if your hair is weak, damaged, this strengthening shampoo will really help it. I've used it for just a few days and I love how it feels, love how it smells, and I really want to buy more or a bigger bottle and continue using it. So I highly recommend this product if you're just looking to strengthen your hair and get that tingling sensation on your scalp.